Hey guys, welcome to Fascinated by Fungi. I've got some amazing mushroom kits here from my friends at Nearby Naturals, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so stick around because I'll tell you how to enter. I wanna show you these amazing Pioppini mushrooms. Look at these huge, huge clusters, these absolutely gorgeous Pioppinis. These are an agrosabi species, so normally they'd be growing out of dead trees, and these remind me a lot of one of the original mushrooms that inspired me to get into fungi back in 2017 when I was living in New Zealand, was this agrosabi parasitica. And it was a mushroom that grew in New Zealand, grew out of trees, didn't really have any toxic lookalikes there, so I felt confident pursuing it. And it was one of my favorite edible mushrooms. I still love it. It's one of my favorite things I've tried today. And I've never found something in America that's quite the same, but Pioppini are pretty darn close. I'm super stoked that I got this kit. It's not one that you find at a lot of different mushroom places, so my friends at Nearby Naturals have got a good thing going here. These Pioppini are just huge clusters. This happened in about 48 hours. I'm really impressed by how fast these things grow. Really, really cool. And I also got some great King Trumpet mushrooms. So this is a Pleurotus species. These have turned into some really, really chunky, fatty boys. Not all of them develop into the big, chunky ones. You know, a good number of them do. Pretty excited to harvest these and eat these. Reverberating the whole table, all the mushrooms. Try just kind of slicing a couple of these stems. Look at that, just beautiful sort of crisp noise cutting through mushroom flesh. Wow, let's gotta see these up close. Look at these things. Yeah, huge, gigantic Pioppini. They're gonna taste so good. Really nutty and sweet mushrooms. They don't have a lot of that kind of really dirty, earthy flavor that you get out of a lot of mushrooms at the store. So these are definitely some of my favorites. I've converted people who didn't like mushrooms with these Pioppini. They are really, really good. Woo! Wow, check that. Look at this cluster. Just a, this is what, you know, the first thing growing out of the bag. I wish I'd gotten this on time lapse. Unfortunately, I missed it because they grew too fast. I was filming the king oysters when these things came of age. But you can still, they have a little bit of the partial veil still on them. This one's got it all in there. Ooh, there we go. There's your veil. These are great edible mushrooms. Pioppinis. I'm gonna leave some of these smaller ones on here to continue growing, but I've got some nice big ones, and I didn't want to get any bigger because they will get tough. So I want to get them while they're still pretty tender and tasty. So cut all these off. I snagged a couple little ones. Little ones are really tender and sweet. I like those too. These are great just sauteed up on their own, or you can put them into dishes. There's a lot of different possibilities for these mushrooms, but they're delicious edibles. These are great. Wow, I don't know if I want to touch this King Trumpet. I think I might let this go a little bit longer. Thanks again to my friends at Nearby Naturals. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, please comment on this post and tag a friend. And then I also need you to go to my website and sign up for my mailing list, where you'll input your username. And I need to have both the comment and you guys signed up for my mailing list on my website so I can cross-reference you and then choose you as a winner. So I'm gonna be giving away some kits here with Nearby Naturals. You guys can get these beautiful Pioppinis or these gorgeous king oysters. I even got some Reishi mushrooms. They got a lot of cool stuff at Nearby Naturals. So definitely check them out. Hope you guys enjoy seeing what I do with these mushrooms. So check my stories. Cheers, guys.